Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Welcome to another episode of Put Some Miles on It. We're just going to go out in the car, go for a nice semi-early morning drive. It's currently 8:40 in the morning. The car's clean and full of fuel, so why not go for a nice morning drive? Right. So today we are going to be probably heading down Highway 1A towards Ghost. Just going to kind of hang around that area, try and find some cool viewpoints or roads, and just hang out and enjoy the scenery. But first, cold start from the S4. You know, we had to start the morning off right with a coffee and a breakfast sandwich before we go for a little morning cruise this morning. It is 6.5 degrees outside in February now. New month, heck yeah. Alright guys, there we go. Coffee secured. Time to hit the road and go find us some twisties. Man, what a beautiful morning. Sun's out, roads are dry, sky is semi-clear, and the car is slowly getting heated up. But nonetheless, beautiful morning this morning. Perfect day for a drive, or a perfect morning for a drive, because we won't be at this all day, but beautiful. Alright guys, so we have made it to our first kind of spot where I can park the car, take out the camera, talk a little bit, and set up any other camera gear I have to set up. So we're going to go from here to Ghost Lake, heading eastbound on Highway 1A, so we will get to experience some curvy roads, which is nice, and kind of be beside the river for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to hook up my Insta360. Should be some good clips. I hope you guys enjoy. Ghost Lake will be our final destination of the day, or of the morning, you know, excluding going back to the Batcave and dropping the car off. So, yeah, in the meantime, please enjoy some clips that I'm going to throw in here. The car sitting beautifully with Mount Yamnuska in the background. Alright guys, so we have the Insta360 attached there. You can see the mount in the rearview mirror, hopefully. And we've got it all ready to go on the phone. Just need to hit record and we're ready to go. Yeah, let's go hit some twisty roads. Alright guys, so we've made it to Ghost Lake. I'm not going to be doing anything on the ice with the car. I just wanted to park it here because it looks pretty cool. So we're going to make our way back to Calgary on Highway 1A and then end the video once we get back to the S4's Batcave. But in the meantime, let's just... Oh, lens is dirty. Sorry, one sec. Meantime, please enjoy this really cool shot of the car on the ice. Peace out, Ghost. See you next time. Alright guys, we are back at the Batcave, lack of better words I guess. At least that's what I call it. I know it's just a parking garage, but I call it the Batcave. Alright. Get this. Get it all tucked away for the rest of the day till I go see my missus. Awesome. Well, guys, that was an amazing morning. It was really nice to get the car out, go for a drive. I just want to say thank you for watching. Lots of new content coming here in the next week. Like I mentioned, heading up to BC, to Naramata for a day and a bit to go hang out with a buddy. So the S4 will get on the highway once again. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, do what you got to do, and drive your cars, put some miles on it, have fun, and enjoy the rest of your week, guys. See you in the next one. Yeah.